So when you have a tightness, tension, or sometimes tingling and numbness sensation, discomfort doesn't get better with a regular stretching and massage, then try release your piriformis muscle, deep gluteus muscle. What happens is the biggest nerve going down to your leg is sciatic nerve. That nerve is going down like this through your deep gluteus muscle, especially piriformis muscle. This is the backside. So this muscle is getting tight. This piriformis muscle is getting tight, and then this muscle is squeezing your sciatic nerve. And then that can cause the distal part discomfort, and sometimes it comes with a tingly and numbness, sometimes comes with a tightness, sometimes comes with a pain. So you can try releasing this muscle. I show you how to do it. So piriformis and the deep gluteus muscle is right over there. So we gotta give a stretch over there. So sitting at the edge of the chair. So sitting at the edge of the chair, and then if you want to stretch your right side, put your right ankle over there on your left side, and then if you are tight and then your hip is like this, you gotta stretch this one first. You hold it for 1 minute, and then this is a little going down. Then you can put your right hand and left hand, and then keep your back straight and hinge your hip like this. Put your hands here and there, and then hinge your hip forward until you feel stretch. And then when you feel stretch, you exhale. And then you stay there for 15 seconds. And then when you exhale, you can go more, but try to keep your back straight, just hinge your hip. Yeah, 15 seconds, 5 reps. And the second one is you lift your leg up, and then you interlock your fingers and you pull towards your chest, and then your trunk is rotating towards the right side. So as your trunk rotates to the right, you keep pulling your chest towards you, then you're gonna have a nice stretch over there. You can do this way, or you can hook your elbow this way, and then you can also pull towards you, and then turn your trunk to the right side. And exhale. Exhale, and then you can feel the stretch, nice stretch over there. This second stretch, same thing, 15 seconds, and then relax 5 times. Using the foam roller, so we want to release your right side piriformis. Then you're gonna position like this, keep your right leg straight and left leg bent, and then a little lean your body weight on the right side. And then you can slowly roll, and then just feel where you feel the sore area, because the tight area you feel more sore and more sensitive. So find the spot, and then you can keep slowly rolling, or you can stay still. Find the spot, and you can stay over there for 30 seconds, and then you can repeat. And slowly roll, or you can stay on the tight spot, and then you can stay over there 20-30 seconds and repeat until you feel less sensitive. There are some variation. You can do this, or you can do this. You can just choose whatever you feel more sensitive. Or you can do this, and then you can also do this. Like I said, you can just choose whatever you feel the most, and then stick with this. Yeah, and then find the spot, and you can stay still. Yes. So when you feel any tightness, and then achiness, and then tingling numbness, sometimes a weakness in your lower legs, ankle, and then doesn't get better with a regular calf stretches and the foot massage, please try the piriformis stretching and then foam rolling today I shown you. It's very common because people sitting too long and then don't give enough stretches. So try it and then let me know if that works.